Good afternoon to everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see this 5-star BLDC fan from Activa Gracia, and which is small size, that means 600 mm small size ceiling fan, and this is remote operated fan with the LED light also. Okay, let me just turn on this fan for the first time. Yeah, and the user is using this fan for the past 3 months. Okay, you can consider this as the real user opinion on this fan. Yeah, this has a dedicated light. Okay, let me just press the boost button. Okay, yeah, boost 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is the boost option also. Okay, and along with this, at the end of the video I'll show some more BLDC fans, which are bigger size BLDC fans, 1200 mm BLDC fans. If you want those reviews and unboxing videos, find it in the description. I'll be posting every video in the description. They have different brands. Okay, and coming to the airflow is decent, but the only problem is the space covering is very less. Means the people who sits just below this fan will get that airflow. Okay, because you can observe the wings are of very short. This would be ideal for office chairs where one person, means if the fan airflow is needed for one person, this would be one of the good choice. Okay, and there is a dedicated light. You can click on that light and the light can be continuously turned on, and you can off that light also. There is a nature button. When I click on this nature button and boost button, even though this is in the outside veranda area, for two people who can keep two chairs beside, those two people can get that airflow. Airflow is really good. And remember, this is 850 rpm, the fan rotating really speed, and the airflow is really good, except this is suitable for one person. That is the only thing. Otherwise this is pretty good. And the maximum power consumption at the high speed, they have mentioned like 32 watts. So you see, this is energy efficient. And for the past 3 months, the user has expressed that there is no noticeable power charges increase, so it is saving some power. That is what the main requirement of the user using this, has installed this in the veranda area to save some energy bill. Okay, and the airflow is good, and they are pretty much satisfied. And if you do have any other questions regarding this Activa Gracia BLDC small size fan, you can just ask. And these are the another 3 BLDC fans. These are of big size. Okay, Polycab and Atomberg, and the third one is the Activa Gracia. Okay, Activa Gracia already you have seen. This is the Atomberg Renaissance Prime. The user has purchased this for the price of 3,200 rupees. For the past 1 year, the user has been using this. The real user experience is moderate here, means they are not pretty much satisfied or pretty much dissatisfied. You can say 50-50. The airflow is decently good, but they expected a bit more good airflow as they installed this in the living room. And this is the Polycab, and user really felt everything good about this Polycab fan, but there is no light here. For the Polycab fan, there is no LED light. That thing you need to remember. But if you do have any other questions regarding the Activa Gracia BLDC fan, you can just ask in the comments so that I can reply you. Yeah, please do post your opinions in the comments. And the price of that Activa Gracia is 2,600. At the time of purchase, the user has purchased Activa Gracia for 2,600 rupees, and this Polycab fan is for 3,300 rupees.